Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Here you can see folders with the local photos, for example the previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we got here the default photos, and now we'll go with one from these photos, for example this one. Then just click here to apply and click set as lock screen. Wait a second, and here you will see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully. And now, as can you see, we can see here the result that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we can do it by the second way, just by the same way. Swipe with your two fingers to the center, and here on the left down corner you will see the wallpapers icon. Click here, and now we can see here the same folders with our local photos with default one, or also we can just use the online wallpapers. But to use them you just be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And after that just select one from the wallpapers which you like, for example this one. Then just click here to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper as a lock screen. Wait a second here, and now we'll check that, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper on Xiaomi 12 Pro. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.